Pineapple Mint Refresher. Ingredients: 1 ripe pineapple, 1 cup fresh mint leaves, 1 to 2 tablespoons honey or agave syrup, 1 to 2 cups cold water. Ice cubes, optional. Mint sprigs for garnish instructions. Prepare the pineapple. Cut the ripe pineapple into chunks or slices. Add fresh mint. Rinse the fresh mint leaves. Blend pineapple and mint. Place the pineapple chunks and fresh mint leaves in a blender. Sweeten to taste. Add honey or agave syrup to the blender. Adjust the sweetness according to your preference. Include cold water. Pour 1 to 2 cups of cold water into the blender. Adjust the quantity based on your desired consistency. Blend until smooth. Blend the mixture until you achieve a smooth and minty concoction. Serve over ice. Pour the juice over ice cubes for a crisp and refreshing experience. Garnish with mint sprigs. Garnish with sprigs of fresh mint for an extra burst of minty aroma. Relax and savor the Pineapple Mint Refresher. Stir the juice and savor the cool and invigorating Pineapple Mint Refresher. These recipes offer a blend of complementary flavors to elevate your pineapple juice experience. Enjoy.